the Predator tribe that calls the volcanic regions of Yautja Prime their home. In this video we'll explore the lava planet predators first introduced as part of NECA toys. From what we've covered in previous videos regarding the Yautja's home planets, it is covered in two major biomes, one being a dry desert environment with rivers of flowing lava, and the other a humid, wet jungle. We caught a glimpse at their home planet in AVP Requiem when Wolf received the distress call from Earth, and in this scene we saw the active volcanoes of Yautja Prime. The lava planet predators are a completely unique clan in the Predator mythology altogether. With most Predator clans or tribes, one thing that is clear that brings them together is their uniqueness and similarities, and which is the reason that they all band together. The lava planet predators are a descendant of a rare tribe that once inhabited the lethal volcanic regions of Yautja Prime. They wear specialized masks and cloaking nets to try and suppress the very high levels of radioactivity that would come surrounding the region. The thing that's interesting about these predators is that their invisibility cloaking technology is much more advanced and superior to that of other predators because they actually use their cloaking to kind of shield them with an electromagnetic field against these lethal pockets of radiation. Even though they have their active cloaking ability usually on, we can see visual parts of them through their skin and armor that are constantly moving and shifting around that reveal themselves apart from the fiery landscape that these predators actually live on. The Lava Clan warriors carry specialized weaponry because they don't use the traditional plasma casters or wrist gauntlets. They use somewhat of a miniature sword or scimitar, which is actually used to hunt the creatures that live amongst them in that region, called the Vigdrak. Vigdrak are insectoids that fly, part of the barren wasteland that is the desert surrounding the lava regions. Normally a rite of passage for predators to kill a Vigdrak. For the Lava Clan, it's part of their way of life. Apart from their encounters with the Lava Predator clan, we haven't actually seen the Vigdrak creatures in much of the other Predator lore apart from Aliens vs. Predator Extinction, but these are very large beasts, nicknamed phoenixes because they are capable of being resistant to fire, electricity, and radiation. In the game AVP Extinction, one of the Predator classes called Yautja Spearmaster is clad in armor crafted from the hide of a Vigdrak. And just like I mentioned before, with the creatures, it gives them a resistance to fire, electricity, and lethal amounts of radiation. So what do you guys think about the Lava Predator clan? I think they're actually really unique and interesting. I love the idea of a Predator clan adapting themselves to a very harsh environment on their home planet, because their planet isn't just, one type of climate or environment. It's made up of different things all over the place. There's volcanoes, there's deserts, there's jungles, etc. And we'll definitely be covering another clan that's similar, that has adapted to a very extreme condition on the Predator home planet. But like I said, drop your thoughts down in the comments below. Would you guys like to see the Lava Clan appear in other media like a book or comics, or maybe even be a playable skin in an upcoming video game? I think that would be pretty awesome. For more updates on everything Predator and pop culture, be sure to subscribe to HN Entertainment.